Hi, today I'll show you how I make videos like this. It all starts with a script. There's nothing complicated here. The main thing is to write out each scene in detail. After that, I create prompts. I finish each prompt by asking GPT to generate an image that will serve as a reference for the video neural network. Here's the prompt itself, and here's the result I got. I made a reference for each scene. These are the images I managed to create. After that, I move on to flow, where using the same prompts and references, I create a video for each scene. Here's the video for the first scene. And here are all the rest. So there are 9 of them in total. After that comes the boring part about editing. There's nothing interesting here, but it does take some time. And as a result, I end up with a video like this. Thank you.